Here's a couple recipes I made this week. One with beef, one with chicken, and one with bananas. Let me show you how I made them. So I started my first dish by browning some ground beef and onions, and then I added some red pepper and fried that all together. I used my meat masher to break up the hamburger into smaller bits. Then I added some tomato paste and some garlic. I gave that a quick stir. I added a can of Rotel diced tomatoes, a can of whole mushrooms drained, and a can of tomato sauce. And I gave that a really good mix. For seasonings, I added some pepper and salt, Italian seasoning, some basil, oregano, and some sugar. I gave that a really good stir and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and of course I had it with spaghetti. For my chicken dish, I started by cutting my chicken breast horizontally. Then I added some Kinder's The Blend seasoning, some paprika, some Italian seasoning, and I did that on both sides of the chicken breast. Then I added some olive oil to a hot pan as well as some butter. I put my chicken breasts in the pan and just to fry them really good to get some nice brown coloring on both sides. I then removed them from the pan onto a plate and put them aside for a little bit. Then I added some onions to the pan and sauteed them really well. I added some chicken broth and then scraped up those delicious bits from the bottom of the pan. I then added some Laughing Cow cream cheese, and then I just tried to mix those up until I got a nice creamy sauce. Then I added a bit of pepper and then put the chicken back into the sauce, remembering to get those juices in there. And then I gave them a couple flip-flops just to make sure all the chicken pieces were covered in the sauce. And I let it simmer until the chickens were cooked all the way through. And they turned out amazing, you guys. All right, for my next dish, I put 3 ripened bananas into a large bowl. Then I mashed them up with my meat masher to make them very, very small and creamy. And then I added some melted butter and some sugar, as well as 2 eggs. I then added some vanilla extract and gave it a stir. I set that bowl aside and I grabbed my other bowl. I'm going to add some flour, some baking soda, some salt, and some cinnamon. Give that a good mix. Bring back my wet bowl, add my dry ingredients to it, and I'll just fold in the flour. Try not to mix it too much. In my greased loaf pan, I'm just going to add this mixture. Get it all kind of leveled out so it bakes evenly. Look at that. Turned out amazing. Do the old toothpick test. And that's it, guys. It was delicious. I haven't made banana bread in so long. It was so good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.